Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. Today's online session is specially intended for giving you information about the project and the assignment. The project's topic has already been discussed with you all. You are aware of it. If you have done the project, very good. If you haven't, then let me explain the project's topic again in brief. I'm also going to give you information about the assignment. First, I'll run the project's topic by you again. Students, we have learned 4 kinds of Swara Sandhi: Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi and Yana Sandhi. And as a project, I have asked you to make a chart based on these 4 rules of Sandhi. Here is the table of Swara Sandhi with the examples of Dirgha Sandhi. Similar to this, you are going to explain the rules of Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi and Yana Sandhi. Besides the chart, I have also given you one Anuchhedaha in which some words are underlined and you are asked to either dissolve or make the sandhis of the underlined words. And you have to rewrite the Anuchhedaha. Here is the Anuchhedaha. It continues here. Students, you are supposed to make this chart and write the Anuchhedaha on a full-scape page or on worksheet. You are going to scan the written information and you are going to send it to us in PDF. The submission date for the project is 21st of August. I'll repeat, you are going to submit the project on 21st of August. The details regarding uploading the file will be conveyed to you at the earliest. Now, let me take you to the next part, that is the assignment. There are 10 marks for the assignment, and in Sanskrit, the word for the assignment is Niyukta Karyam. There are 2 parts of this assignment. The first one is based on Pratyayaha, and the second one is Anuchheda Purtihi Anuvadaha Cha. It means you are going to do 2 activities under this assignment. Let me give you the information about the first one, that is Pratyayaha. अधोदत्त प्रत्ययानां पंचदश उदाहरणानि लिखित्वा प्रकृति प्रत्ययौ वियोजयत. Write 15 examples of each of the following suffixes and split the dhatuhu and the pratyayah. Students, we have learnt 3 kinds of pratyayah: Tva pratyayah, Lyap pratyayah and Tumun pratyayah. You are going to write 15 examples of each of the pratyayah and you are also going to split the dhatuhu and the pratyayah. Let me explain the concept with the help of some examples. Students, as it is displayed on your screen, you are going to make the table which will be consisting of 3 columns: Tva pratyayasya udaharanani, Lyap pratyayasya udaharanani and Tumun pratyayasya udaharanani. You are going to write the forms and you are going to split the pratyayah and the dhatuhu. Some examples are given here. They will help you in understanding the concept. Let's move on to the next part of the assignment, that is Anuchheda Purtihi Anuvadaha Cha. Under this activity, I am going to give you one Anuchhedaha which you are supposed to complete with the help of the words given in Manjusha. You are going to rewrite the Anuchhedaha and translate it in Hindi or in English. Let me explain the concept in detail. मञ्जूषापदसहायतया रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयित्वा अनुच्छेदं पुनर्लिखत हिन्दीभाषायाम् आङ्ग्लभाषायां वा अनुवादं च कुरुत। कोऽपि एकः। Complete the given paragraph with the help of the words given in the box. Rewrite and translate the same in Hindi or English. Any one. It means 2 paragraphs are given here. You're supposed to solve and write any one of them. Here is the first Anuchhedah with Manjusha. Students, you can pause the video and can jot down the Anuchhedah. The meanings of some new words are also provided here for your help. Here is the next Anuchhedah with Manjusha. And the Shabdarthaha are also provided for your help. Students, let me remind you, you are going to solve and write any one of the paragraphs. Students, you will write both the parts of the assignment, that is Pratyayaha and Anuchheda Purtihi Anuvadaha Cha, on a full-scape page or on worksheet. You are going to get it scanned and send it to us in PDF. The submission date for the assignment is 13th of August. I'll repeat, the submission date for the assignment is 13th of August. And the details regarding uploading the files will be conveyed to you by your class teacher. Students, I assume that the topics of both the project and the assignment are clear to you all, and the submission process is also understood by you. You are going to submit the project and the assignment in PDF, and on the front page of the both you are going to write your name, standard, division, roll number and your SID number. I'll repeat, on the front page of the project and the assignment, you are going to write your name, standard, division, roll number and your SID number. Thank you very much for your attention. Dhanyavadaha. Punah milamah.